came in here and tore this up. They've already taken the other screws out. Not sure why though. Right now I am trying to get the door lock free. That one wafer right there sticking up, it's stuck, it won't go back in, and that is the problem. It's just that one piece of metal getting stuck is why a door cannot be operated. It's very common for that to happen in the ignition. Very expensive problem. It's a wear part, as in it'll eventually just wear out and be no good. You can see right there how worn out it is. It's like a mushroomed out. So wear parts cannot be repaired, they have to be replaced whenever they wear out. In this case, I had to get a replacement. And instead of just replacing that one part, we'll just replace every single one of them. That way, they're less likely to wear out in the future because they're all going to be brand new. This one's a 4. They all have measured cuts engraved onto them. I just have to lay out the right ones and then put them back in. Lay that right here to go back in the lock. Starting on this side. Honda uses what's called split wafers. They're all split in half versus a full-size wafer like this one is one piece. The split wafers are more prone to wearing out. There's more moving pieces and they're smaller. That's why Hondas have issues with their ignitions and doors. There we go. Now everything is effectively brand new for the lock. is fully repaired. Now we just reassemble it and put it back in the vehicle. This lock is what resets, with the spring, it resets the lock back to the middle when you turn the key in the door. And it's one of the most annoying parts in trying to reassemble these. Now we can put it back in the car. This is Josh, the locksmith over there. Talking about the 2006 Lexus. It's a GS 430. The dash is turning on, and you have like a rate on the AC turning on as well. Or is it just saying no key detected and that's all? That'll be fine. What day? I will shoot on Monday and then I appreciate it. Eventually it'll finally wiggle in, but then it gets stuck in the other position, so then you still can't turn it. Okay. So everything are replaced in there, so we're good.
Okay. Thank you.
Simple as that.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You're all set. Thank you again, Rick.
All right, you're welcome.